a bit of that. Nice and juicy, beautiful. Let's go. Well, okay, let's jump in here and take a look at what we've got. So I've got one chicken breast there, no skin, no bone. Cut it into some nice long strips. Some bell peppers here. I'm using red and green, again, nice and thin. Onion, nice and thin, slices. Garlic, I've got like, 2 teaspoons, roughly, of chopped garlic. And then here, powders, like a teaspoon each here. I've got paprika, oregano, chili, and cumin powder. We're going to start this off with a little bit of olive oil, add some salt and pepper. Let's get this bit done, then we'll get the actual wrap together. Okay, absolutely nothing to this one, really simple. So I've got some olive oil in there, heating it up. We're going to drop in our chicken breast, and for like 4 minutes on a kind of medium heat, we're just going to throw this around in the pan. Fantastic. Okay, we're now going to drop in our onion, chopped garlic, the bell peppers, our powders. Let's just take one more look at those, shall we? So equal parts paprika, oregano, cumin, chili powder. In that goes. A little bit of salt, some black pepper, and then we're going to go now for another 3 minutes only, and then this part of our lovely sandwich is going to be done. Keep it moving. Okay, there's our chicken. Beautiful. Okay, one tortilla wrap. Without making these, you can buy them in pretty much every supermarket these days. We're going to get on, well, I'm going to get on some mayonnaise. Spread that around. If you want, you could add some chili sauce to this now, like some hot pepper sauce or something like that. That's good. Then going to grab chicken, the onions, all still nice and crunchy, those vegetables. Plenty of flavour on those. Down the centre there. And then chopped tomato. Could be putting in some avocado in here, some sour cream or something like that if you wanted. And I'm not using lettuce, but I'm using parsley. I like some chopped parsley in there. And then we're going to go with some cheese. You can use any cheese that you like. I've got a kind of Emmental type here. What we're going to do is simply give that a fold over. Kind of grab it, roll it over like that, and it's done. If you wanted, you could just pop that in the oven for 5 or 6 minutes, or stick it in the microwave just quickly. That cheese will really melt. Delicious. All right, easy as can be. So what you can do is get some jalapenos chopped in there, or some pickles, some olives. You can really play around with it, get it in there. Some iceberg lettuce. Like I say, I've used the parsley. Really, really easy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.